Right, there's a number of hosepipe bans on at the moment in the UK, and if I may be so bold as why not have a look at using DrySparkle. Now you can use DrySparkle as I have on motorhomes, especially at campsites where you can't use a hosepipe or you haven't got access to the hosepipe. Perhaps you're in storage, anywhere where you keep your vehicle, you can use it. So I suggest keeping a bottle handy in your motorhome all the time, and we'll certainly be using it on our trip to Europe. You can use it on cars, on bikes, and here's me using it on the car together with the upholstery and the dashboard cleaner and the Odor eliminator. So here's me using the DrySparkle on a campsite. This was actually in the Netherlands when I was using this, and it's very handy to have. And use it on the wheels. It's also got a tyre cleaner as well, and it brings it up really nicely. But if you've got particularly us, where you've got dogs, and dogs tend to leave dog hairs everywhere, so a bit of vacuuming first will get rid of the hairs, and that back seat was particularly bad. But they also leave a little bit of a, how can we put it, you tend to go nose blind if you're a dog owner, but they do leave their mark. So yeah, this was a few weeks ago and I was cleaning out the car. It's actually on the drive, but just hoovering it out with the old G-Tech. And getting the DrySparkle out. This is the bag, the pack you can get it, and it's got just about every combination in here, together with brushes and various things. As you can see, there's all sorts of different options there. And this is the upholstery cleaner. So you basically you spray it on. You don't need to use an awful lot, and rub it in, and it wipes off the dirt. It does really help. And our cars are like 10 years old. I think that side of the cushion is a little bit worn, but it really does help bring it up quite clean. And if you look at the cloth afterwards, it's quite filthy. This is the dashboard cleaner, and this works really well. Again, using it on car, but I have used it on the motorhome. It's just basically spray on and wipe off. Very simple to use, and it brings the dashboard up really nicely. And it's got lots of this sort of plasticky metal stuff in the car, but yeah, it gets all the marks off. Brings it up a nice, shiny, clean surface. And it smells quite nice as well. I also used it under the bonnet. The bonnet was absolutely filthy. This is the plastic cover over the top of the engine, and using the brush provided and getting into all the bits and nooks and crannies. Top of the battery covered in dust, and it's really sort of brought the engine up nice and clean. It's amazing how mucky it can get, how dusty it can get under the engine. Oh, no one's going to see it, but just gets it nice and clean. And on the wheels, of course, quick spray. This is a car cleaner. It is basically the same as the motorhome cleaner, and this is how the refill works. You get a new bottle and you just plonk it in there, screw it on, and then obviously you can recycle the old bottle. But it saves having to keep changing the spray attachment every time, or a little bit for the environment. And here's the car being cleaned with the car cleaner. Like I say, same as the motorhome cleaner, and works just as well. And I think the car's looking really good. I have been using DrySparkle on the car for some time now, and yeah, I'm very pleased with it. Yeah, on the front as well. You can see how clean it brings it up. There it is. And you have these little safety catches so you don't inadvertently operate them. And this is the Odor eliminator. Get rid of those doggy smells. The good news is you can now buy it off Amazon, and there's a link in the description below, and if you use that you'll get a special discount. So I hope you're having a great summer, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye then.